for your brothers, last night, man. We're playing online Flappy Birds. What? What? Okay. Mom. My mom said when I get famous, she's gonna want me to buy her a new car. Yes. And look who's here with me. And the other guy. Nightwing right here. I'm gonna play Flappy online. So we're gonna play online with other people. And if you see me, Joel Harris with a captain hat, then you are on my video. I mean with a sea captain hat, you're on my video. And for some reason I'm so good at playing this game when I'm making videos. Since you guys saw my last game, I got like what, 24? Was it? Was it? Oh, I think it was, right? You guys see? I'm good at this game because I'm making videos. So how's your guys' day? And if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe to me or subscribe to her. Or subscribe to Nightwing right here. Or Jet. Oh, I gotta pause this. Sorry. Okay, sorry I skipped that entire thing because there was an ad. Now we're starting on that because I survived this. 20! 20! Shoot. Fly? Shoot. No, it's just a fly. It's not that guy. We'll find. Oh, pass on to Nightwing here.
But the game just ended.
Oh, it didn't. Oh, it did? Well, start talking.
I don't know what you want to say.
Subscribe to Nightwing.
My face. Advertisements. I don't even like those games for some reason. I find them boring. It's like Candy Crush, but I always say boringer.
Excuse me. Can you move out the way, please?
Let's try to watch TV. Yeah, I got that right. Oh, I got nerves there, boys.
It's done. Wait, no, hit the extras.
Sorry for that.
You say sorry for the ad.
Oh, come on. I hate when that happens.
Now it's my turn. What the heck? Your heads are in the clouds. Okay, it's my turn to play. Let's go. So how your guys' day?
You said that.
You did?
Troll face.
Whatever. So this is not troll face. Oh yes. Whoever is this guy in front of me, then you are on a YouTube video. That's fat. Nothing, boy. I bet you. Wait. I bet you guys I'm gonna be on like in 10th place. I bet I am, right? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Joseph M36021. Can we like join the same area? Can we like thinking whatever?
Maybe.
We can we?
Wait, are we in the one?
Are you?
Wait, check. Okay, get up. Go to the front page. Yeah. Wait, no.
Well, just go
back.
play online.
Press back. Okay. Wait for it. So loading screen.
Wait, I have like low. Okay.
Okay, who's there? Rain. Play online.
Hold up. What about this? Let's go on the
Junior server.
no, this one.
Yeah, that's one.
Boy, we're in the same server. Me and I just died. Joseph M360 is
I wonder if
playing.
I see you.
Maybe you can. Maybe you can see me. Is that you? Wait, no, that can't be you. You're like a white skin, are you?
Wait, don't spawn.
Dang it, I just...
Okay, now. You both spawn in.
Oh, jeez, no. Oh, thanks. Aw, man. What? I just died. Aw, man.
Wait,
Loading scores. I'm in 9th place.
It says loading scores. Wait. Let me see if you,
I'm in 9th place.
19?
19th place.
Let me see. No, it says hot girl. Oh, wait, you're in 20.
Oh, I am? No, it says right there. I'm in 9th.
Oh, no.
19.
Mine, that's what it says, Joel. The best
Oh.
score is 18. Oh, so this is tie. It's just like so different. In there.
Oh,
So we are joining the same lobby.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No thanks.
No thanks.
Let's join the same one again. I'm gonna join wait, no, let's go with the bottom one. All the way.
Nah, we're
Pro
not.
server. Come on. Yeah, you gotta.
Elite server?
Yeah, whatever.
Fine.
How much do you got? Are you like got 4? Nope. Ah!
Can we leave this one?
No.
Please.
This is a pro server. I want to be a pro. I'm a pro.
I'm a dance, by the way.
You are?
You could do that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go leave this one.
What? Sorry, guys. I wasn't talking for a little bit. So, yeah.
I'm still a junior. I'm gonna join the junior one.
Oh, come on.
Come on. Oh, yes. We did some, like, Is this flappy guy right here?
Oh, sorry. I wasn't talking for a little while. I'm gonna bring it on to his brain is too smart.
game doesn't get intense or anything. Yeah. I guess we should end it because like it's not 10 minutes.
Okay, guys, that's all the time I had to do this. This is all the time I had to do this video. I hope you guys like this. Subscribe to me if you want more. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry. Bye-bye.